The minority of the audience, no matter where you are in the country, uh, is the one that disputes the science or denies the science, depending on how extreme their views are. They're the loudest. And so this is what makes TV management so nervous. And they have never, in my experience, been inclined to allow their weather people to get into controversial subjects. We don't look, we're losing enough viewers just because of cable and satellites and phones and all the, we can't afford to lose more. And so if we're going to get 10% of the audience mad at us and say, I'm not going to watch your station anymore, forget about the death threats. That's something that's rare. I really haven't heard of that much in the TV business, but it's more the management to me that is discouraging conversations about climate because they're afraid of antagonizing even a small percent of the audience.